Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tykara, and today I look crazy because I'm going to be washing my MICROLOCS for the first time. It's been about a week since I installed these, so if you want to see the video of my installation process, I'll have that linked in the eye. So yesterday I went to the beauty supply store and I picked up some colorful rubber bands because I'm going to be braiding and banding. And I also picked up some duckbill clips just in case I'll need it. I don't know if I will, but just in case I will. I'm gonna go ahead and put my hair into braids. I'm gonna do about 8 of them, 4 on each side. So let's start. Okay y'all, so we finished banding them. I have 8. Like I said, I have 2 in the front, like 2 on the side here. I have 1 in the back. I'm just gonna show you. So whenever we did this, we just took 1 rubber band and we put it about 2 inches from the root, and then we tied it around about 3 times so that it'll still be a little bit loose so that I can get in there and shampoo it. And then we braided it down, and then at the end here it's just banded so that hopefully my ends won't unravel, but if they do, then you'll be able to see. So I'm about to go wash my hair. Okay guys, so the way that I'm going to wash my hair is through a spray bottle, because I feel like this would be the easiest. So I took the same conditioner that I used, or the same shampoo, sorry, the same shampoo that I used whenever I was installing my locks. This is the Kenra clarifying shampoo, and I mixed it with some water. And I mixed it with some water in this spray bottle. So I'm just gonna spray my roots and then massage it in and then rinse it out. Right. The fastest wash that I've ever had in my whole life. Like, I feel like I may have done something wrong, but I did it though. Let me know if I did. That's all I did. I just sprayed the shampoo in my hair, lathered it up, rinsed it out, got this black towel on my head or this black t-shirt on my head, and that's it. If you see something, say something. I think I did it right. I don't know. Let me know. I'm saying, how am I gonna let it dry like this? You don't think it's too tight?
What happens now is happening now.
What happened then?
Past that.
When?
Just now. We're at now.
Go back to then. Now.
Surprisingly, I didn't get much slippage right here. I was worried about these, but they're still kind of intact. This is one, this is the other, and this is another one. And also this one right here. I was worried about that slipping out too. But now the question is, do I leave it in these to dry or do I just take it out? I feel like the braids may be a little too tight for it to even dry quick enough. So I don't know if I should take them out or just leave them. Okay, so I have decided that I'm just gonna go ahead and pop these rubber bands out and get ready for the next day tomorrow. So I'm probably either gonna do a braid out or a twist out. But I think that I let it dry, sort of. It's not completely dry yet. You guys, I can honestly say that this is the fastest wash day that I have ever had in my entire life. I went from 2 hours to 20 minutes. Like straight up, it was so fast.
Everything that happens now is happening now.
What happened to then?
Past that.
When?
Just now. We're at now.
Go back to then.
When?
Now.
Now?
Now.
I can't.
Why?
We missed it.
When?
Just now. Everything that happens now is happening now.
What happened to then?
Past that.
When?
Just now. We're at now.
Go back to then.
When?
Now.
Now?
Now.
I can't.
Why?
We missed it.
When?
Just now.
Okay, so that concludes my wash day. It has been the shortest that has ever been in my entire life. Like maybe 20 minutes, if that, start to finish. So I think that I'm just gonna either twist it or braid it up for a braid out tomorrow. Thank you guys for watching this video. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Again, like I've said before, if you see that I'm doing something wrong and you know, say something, please. Your advice would be greatly appreciated. So I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at tykara.ann and add me on Snapchat at tykara.ann too. That's it. So talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.
Time's wasted. Don't you take your time, young man. Keep on drifting. Ain't no telling.